In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the kill switch, also known as the network lock, on Expressvpn. This feature is essential for maintaining your privacy and securing your internet connection, especially if you encounter a sudden VPN disconnection. It automatically blocks all internet traffic until the VPN connection is restored, protecting your data from potential exposure. Let's dive in and see how you can easily activate this feature in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to open the Expressvpn app. Ensure that it's installed on your device, whether it's a desktop or mobile version, and go ahead and launch the application. If you haven't signed in yet, make sure to log into your account to access the full range of features available. Once you have the app open, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon, often referred to as the menu button. This button is usually located at the top corner of your app screen. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your VPN settings and account details. Now, from this menu, you're going to select Options. This choice is critical as it allows you to access various customizable settings within your Expressvpn app, tailored specifically to your preferences and security needs. After selecting Options, navigate to the General tab. This section includes a collection of basic settings that you can adjust according to your liking. It's your main control center for making fundamental changes to how Expressvpn operates on your device. In the General settings, you will find the Network Lock feature. The Network Lock is Expressvpn's version of a kill switch, an important tool that enhances your internet security. To activate the network lock, simply check the box or toggle the switch next to it. This action will ensure that the kill switch feature is enabled, safeguarding your information by preventing any internet traffic from flowing if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly. To verify that the network lock is functioning correctly, you might consider doing a quick test. Disconnect your VPN deliberately and observe whether your internet connection halts as intended. This will give you peace of mind, knowing that the feature is effectively protecting your data. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled the kill switch or network lock on your Expressvpn app. This feature is a crucial aspect of ensuring your online activity remains private and secure, even in the event of a VPN disconnection. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your online privacy and security. Stay safe and see you in the next video.